Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find this particular video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, maybe share with a friend, or even leave a comment. All those really do help out the channel. So the product I wanted to share with you today is a pair of magnetic earbuds. It's by a company called Tecno. The model is Bravo B1. I will include a link to Amazon if you want to check these out for yourself. But once you order them, they're going to come in this little case. It's wrapped in plastic. And then inside them are the little earbuds. So let's go over everything, what you get, and how they work, and how good they are. So you're going to get, right off when you open them up, you'll get a little manual. Pretty straightforward. Take a look at the manual for basically the operations, in particular if you want to use this device to pair to your phone to answering phone calls. Because then it tells you how to press the buttons to basically answer the call, hang up, reject incoming call, or kind of that setup. I use it mostly just for music. So the volume button and the skip and it's pretty straightforward. Also, answering the call is pretty straightforward. It's when you start getting to rejecting, you got to do long presses and things like that. So take a look at the instruction manual if you want to use it for your cell phone. Now, you're going to get the earbuds themselves, which are very lightweight. You have a thicker rubber kind of coil along here, and then this is kind of butts out, and this is where I think all the computer chips are. And then you have a smaller coil, and then down here is the control panel, where you have the plus and minus to increase the volume or to change to the next song, and then you have the play button to play music or answer phone calls. So, and then on this part, you have the earbuds. They have these little wings that go around your ear to help hold them in. And what's also nice is the tips here, or the ends, are magnetic. So that way you can keep them looped around your neck, or keeps them from getting they stay more connected and less tangled. So you're also going to get, of course, a USB charger. Now, unfortunately, one of my only clients, it's the older type charger. It's the mini one. It's not the USB Type-C, but that's no big deal because they include the cable, and it goes into a standard USB outlet or brick. And then if the earbud on the unit and little wing here are not the right side, they're really easy to take off. You just kind of peel them off like so and change out. But they also include other sizes. So you're going to get two other sizes of the little wing part that goes in your ear, and then you're going to get two other size options of the actual earbud part that goes in your ear. And like I said, if you're a big runner or working out in the gym, these are great because, like I said, it just sits around your neck. You can easily take them off, or put one single one in your ear, and holds it in really, really nicely. As far as battery time, they will play for about 36 to 38 hours of listening to music. The more you kind of use the controls, it kind of eats up a little bit on the battery time, but basically you get a full 36 hours. So you get a couple days easily out of the battery charge. Now, standby time, if you fully charge them and just kind of leave them in your gym bag or just leave them in the glove box or something like that, they say they have a 500-hour standby time. I have not been able to physically test that, just because that's a lot of hours. So other than that, they are Bluetooth 5.0, so they have the latest range. So if your phone is a Bluetooth, puts out, which all new phones are for sure, 5.0, then it has the longer range. You can get further away. Now that's obviously the more walls you have in place and construction types will limit that, but that is the more later Bluetooth technology. Charging, so once they are dead and you need to fully charge them, they take anywhere between 1 to 2 hours, I've noticed. It's more like an hour and a half, so any plan just between 1 to 2 hours to charge them. They do have a waterproof rating of IPX5, so that is a rating for basically light sweat, rain. So if you're out running and it starts pouring down rain on you, you're not going to lose your headphones. Obviously, if you're sweating on them, that's no big deal. Do not throw them in the pool. They will not survive if you submerge them in water. So that's what the IPX5 rating is. Like I said, you can use them for phone calls. Phone calls come in nice, crisp, and clear. I've had when just testing them, I didn't have any issues. Everybody said I sounded fine. You will hear, because the mic is up here, so you're going to hear some more ambient sound. It does try to balance that out, I think, internally, but you will pick up ambient sound around you. So just keep that in mind. So if you all of a sudden decide to take a phone call in the middle of the gym, you're going to be able to hear stuff around you, at least the other person on the phone will. And as far as the speaker, it's the size of the speaker, they say, is 13.6 milliliters, millimeters. Sorry, not milliliters, millimeters. So it's got a nice big speaker, but for an earbud. But at the same time, they are earbuds, so the sound quality is pretty good. I would say it has just a mid-tone range. It's not really deep on the bass, but they sound great, especially for if you're just going to be using them for mainly as workouts, phone calls, kind of things. Earbuds aren't, to me, this isn't something if you're going to want to really be encompassed in your music. But there's a lot of earbuds out there that I don't really think fit that level of quality music. To me, you kind of need to move over to over the headphones. So overall, pretty impressed for the price point, for the sound quality. And that's basically the setup of them. Great little device. Like I said, I'll include a link in the description if you want to check them out for yourself. Also, feel free to hit me up in the comments. I do typically respond. And until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you're a rock star. You made it to the end of the video. Now, if you really want to become a legend, help me out, hit that subscribe button. And then it always helps also if you hit that like button and share these videos. Till the next one, you guys take it easy.